Banc De Binary's Interview with the Experts. This week I'm here with Daniel, a broker at Banc De Binary. Today we want to talk about how to successfully trade binary options on stocks. Daniel, how can someone get started trading binary options on stocks?
Well, Sarah, the thing is, if you like to start trading binary options, you need to understand the basics. Now, if you're completely new to the market and completely new to investments, I would stick first to currency pairs until you get a deeper understanding of how the market works.
How about a quick introduction to the basics of trading stocks? How does the price movement work?
Well, let me give you an example. In this case, we're looking at market forces and how the prices change according to market forces. Now, if we have people trying to buy shares and stocks of a certain company, and there are less shares within that company to be sold, then of course the price of the stock or market share will rise. And it's basically demand and supply at its simplest form.
And what drives demand for stocks?
Well, generally it's earnings. So basically if the company's earnings are expected to rise, that of course will also give rise to the demand of the share and also to the market price of the company share. In the contrary, if the expected earnings will fall, in that case we do have a falling demand, in this case of the share. Now, this is basically the best and most accurate indicator. And we here at Wall Street tend to refer to that as earnings season.
How does trading stocks as binary options differ from traditional trading vehicles?
Well, the big benefit about trading binary options is that you do not have to concern yourself with the magnitude of the share price movement. The only thing you need to consider is its direction. So, let me give you an example. In this case, if you predict that the share price will go up and you are correct, you win. If you do predict that the share price will go down and you are correct in your prediction, then you also win.
And what sort of returns can an investor expect?
Well, Sarah, the thing about binary options is that you do know your return before you actually place the option. Now that's a very big benefit. And vastly the majority of returns is between 65 to 91%.
Can you give us an example of how this works in practice?
One of the examples that I like to give is the Apple share. Now, we know that Apple released the iPhone 5, but let's just say that they released the new iPhone 6. Now, we do know that that share would of course rise. Now, having isolated that piece of information and knowing that information, you will then go and proceed and place your trade accordingly. So basically what you do is you go on the Banc De Binary account, you choose the stock or the share in this case, and you apply the trade. And if your prediction is correct, then of course you will win.
And is that simple?
That's all there is to it.
Well, thank you very much, Daniel. This has been Banc De Binary's Interview with the Experts with Daniel Clay.